Welcome back. Here we got a infinite square root puzzle. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 continuing to infinity. We need to find out the value. Is it infinity, 3, root over 3 or minus 3? The easiest way to solve an infinite repeating sequence like this is to set the whole thing equal to x. So consider x equals this whole thing. Now to make it more simple, let's square on both sides of the equal symbol. So left side we will get x square and on the right side it will be this whole thing square. Now on the right side, after squaring, we can remove the first square root symbol. So we can write x square equals 3 times this remaining portion. Now look closely at this equation. Because it goes on to infinity, this part is actually the exact same thing as our original x. So we can replace this part by x and we can write x square equals 3 times x. This simplifies our terrifying problem into a super simple one. X square equals 3x. Now it's very easy. We can take this 3x to the left side. So x square minus 3x equals 0. Now take x common. So x into x minus 3 equals 0. So we can write either x equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. Because if the product of two numbers is 0, then any one of them must be 0. But here x equals 0 is not possible. So we will take x minus 3 equals 0, which will give us x equals 3.